So today I'm going to show you how to recreate one of my favorite Chinese takeout dishes, eggplant and broccoli in a delicious garlicky sauce. It's really easy to do and you can make a ton of it. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the rice. I'm gonna make some plain white rice today, but of course you can use brown rice. I'm going to make 2 cups of rice, which will be enough for the 6 servings that we're gonna be making today. And just follow your package directions. So my directions say to boil the water first and then add the rice, but some rices just you throw it all in together and make it together. So first I'm gonna boil the water. Dice up a bunch of garlic. I have 8 cloves here. You can make it more garlicky, less garlicky, whatever you would like. So we're just gonna take the skin off and then dice them up. You're gonna add the garlic to a wok. Now you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of a sesame oil, or you can just use olive oil if you don't have a sesame oil. And finally, we're gonna add in a tablespoon of sesame seeds. The water is boiling, so now I'm gonna add in the rice. Stir. Turn the heat down to a simmer, cover. Cook for about 20 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Now we're gonna cube up our eggplant. I just have 2 eggplants here. Once you're almost done cutting up the eggplant, you're gonna turn the heat up to a medium on the wok and then let it cook for about 2 minutes until fragrant, and then we're gonna add in the eggplant. Oh yeah, smells amazing. Mix it all together and just let this cook for a minute while we cut up the broccoli. Now you're just gonna cut the broccoli into florets and then you're gonna put them right into the wok. Make them little florets, not big florets. After about a minute of cutting up broccoli, stir up the eggplant. It's getting a little brown, which is awesome. Toasty. Add in the broccoli, stir together, cover and let it cook while we go make the sauce. So usually in the garlic sauce in a Chinese restaurant, from what I see online, it looks like it's soy sauce and sugar and a few other ingredients. So instead of the soy sauce and the sugar, because I can't even eat soy, what I'm going to use is coconut aminos, which I will post a link in the description box below if you can't get them where you are at, but they're pretty much in every grocery store you can find them. So I'm going to use a half of a cup of coconut aminos. It's like soy sauce, but it's sweet and it's made out of coconuts. So I'm going to use a half of a cup of this, and then I'm going to add in a tablespoon of arrowroot powder to make like a sauce. Chef style, you don't need a half of a cup, just use half of the 1 cup that you've already dirtied. These are chef stuff tricks that make Adam mad. Okay, and then you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of the arrowroot powder, and then whisk it up with a fork, because everyone knows stuff doesn't like whisks, just forks. Chef stuff fun facts. So, there we go, and now we're gonna add this into the wok after we give it a quick stir. Add it in. Oh yeah, this smells so good, guys. And there you go. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of water. Well, I'm gonna swish that out. I'm gonna add some water into there and add it in. Beautiful. Look at that sauce. And when you reheat your food, the broccoli will cook a little bit more. We like it al dente anyway. That's it. Super easy. Turn off your heat. So for most of you who have been watching our videos for a while, you know that we love the company Purple Carrot, which is a meal prep kit delivery service which is 100% plant-based. Purple Carrot is all about promoting #EatMorePlants, which is obviously something that Adam and I appreciate as well, because you don't have to be 100% plant-based, you just have to be someone who wants to add more plants into their diet. And now they've added something totally new to their company, which is actually a meal prep meal kit service. So now they're sending you 2 different recipes and they make 6 portions of each. So it's actually a meal prepping meal kit service, which is like super cool because that's basically what we do too. There is a link in the description box below and a coupon code that will take you straight to their website. So you should definitely go and check that out. And now back to our meal prep. Okay, the rice is done. So we're just gonna add this into each of the containers. I asked you guys on Instagram which way you wanted us to plate this up, and so we are doing it the way that won, which was the rice all around and the food in the middle. We're doing it the way that you requested. You're just gonna make a little hole in the middle. Beautiful. Now, this is obviously super hot, so you're not gonna cover these with a lid until they've cooled down. And you also wanna make sure if you are using plastic and not glass that you have BPA-free containers, which you can grab from the link in the description box below. And you'll save money. This is like so cheap to make at home versus buying it at the restaurant. Then to finish, sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Beautiful. So that's it, super easy, right? If you make this, don't forget to send us a picture on Instagram. We love seeing them and reposting them. And make sure you click on the related video links up here, like cold sesame peanut butter noodles are also an epic Chinese food dish that we used to get all the time. And that's it. So, have a great week, and we'll catch you next time. Bye guys, namaste.